Alright boys, let's do a cold start and then we're going to check out that trunk action for Blu3Dreamin. Here we go. Gotta love the garage cold start. There's my daughter's Mustang. Let's see what we got there. Well, not too bad. Got all the cleaning supplies, got some tools. I work in IT, so I got a bunch of spare computer parts here. All my computer tools and stuff. Got my Mopar blanket for the winter if I get stuck. And you know what, guys? You know what the most important thing in here is? BAM! You get to be my age, that is really important. That has saved me from some serious shit. Pun intended. And look, it fits right there perfect. Alright guys, there you go, Blue. Later.